Watch what this man does when he sees a bird struggling to free open its beak from Clump.
But he's fighting like hell to try and get it out. I can't just leave him like that. I'm finna have to swim over there and try and get him, I reckon.
To make things more difficult, the bird sees him and jumps into the water. With the help of his wife, he swims towards it in hopes of catching it.
I think you can grab him. Not too sure. See him right there?
Yeah. I gotta wait for him to pop his head up. I can't quite see him. There he is. I got him.
Okay.
Hang on, buddy. Hang on. This is why we don't throw shit in the river.
What is it?
I don't know.
The bird was finally free thanks to this legend.
This is the clump of whatever was wrapped up in his beak. But obviously, as you can see, he's definitely feeling a lot better.